Is your WhatsApp status not uploading, or are you seeing a could not send a message error? Don't worry, in this guide, I'm going to provide a simple solution to fix the problem. So, first, you need to check your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi Fi and mobile data, then attempt to upload your status again. Also, grant the WhatsApp media permissions. So, open your settings application on your device, scroll down, go to apps, click on the search bar in the top and search for WhatsApp, or you can also go ahead and manually scroll down and find WhatsApp. From here, you need to go to the permissions section and ensure that WhatsApp has access to your photos and videos. If you're uploading a large video, try shortening it or compressing it. And remember that large or unsupported files can also cause upload issues. Then after navigate to the storage section, click on clear cache. If you choose to clear your data, all of your credentials will be removed along with all the databases and all. So you need to be very careful regarding that. So clear data unless you have a recent backup of your chats and understand the implications. Ensure that your phone has sufficient free storage space as well, and delete unnecessary files if your storage is nearly full. Also, do not forget to update your WhatsApp. Open your Google Play Store, click on the search bar, type in WhatsApp and search for it. And if you see an update button instead of open, which is highlighted in blue color, something like this, go ahead and select it and update it to its latest and newest version available. Restart your phone and attempt to upload your status again. If WhatsApp is experiencing temporary service problems, you may need to wait and try again later. By following these simple methods, you should be able to resolve issues with your WhatsApp status not uploading or sending. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.